So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download 7-zip. Now once we're here, you want to get this one, 64-bit x64. You want to click on download. It's now going to download 7-zip. Now once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it, and then click on yes, and then click on install. You've now installed 7-zip. We can now close out of this. For the next step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download FFmpeg. And now once we're here, you want to scroll down and you want to download FFmpeg Essentials. Click on this. And now once that's been downloaded, we can now right click on it and then click on Show in Folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with the FFmpeg zip file. You want to right click on it and then click on Show More Options and then click on 7-zip and then click on Extract here. And we should now have a new folder. We can now delete the old zip folder. Now we're going to open up the new folder and then click on bin. And now once we're here, you should now be seeing these three files. You want to copy this path. So you want to click right here, which should now highlight all of this. You want to right click and then copy. We've now copied the path. And now once you've copied the path, for the next step, you want to go to search and type in View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. And now once we're on this, make sure that you're on the Advanced tab. Now you want to select Environment Variables. And now this will come up. And now once we're on this, under User Variables, you want to click on Path, which will now highlight Path. And now you want to click on Edit. Now once this comes up, you want to click on New. And you want to paste the path that we copied earlier into here. So just right click and then paste, which will now paste that path. And then click on OK. OK again. And you've now installed FFmpeg.